Hi and hello everyone, this is Kanzatech here with another video, and today in this video I'm going to do an battery test for the Nokia F5. This phone is a 3000 mAh battery, and today in this video I will do a battery test for this video. So the first test will be a 10 minutes YouTube play video. So I have already searched a random 10 minutes video in YouTube, and I'm going to play this 10 minutes funny cats video as 10 minutes random in YouTube in full sound. So let's see what's going to be the battery results. So you can see now the phone has 80% of battery. So let's see the results after 10 minutes of this video. Hi and hello everyone, I'm back and the 10 minutes video is finished for now. You can see that it has played for 9 and 39 minutes and it's going to finish in another 10 seconds. And you can see that I have lost 4% of my battery with the YouTube play video. And let's go for the second test. Hi guys, and in the first test we played a 10 minutes video and we lost 4% of battery life in this phone. And again now you can see that it has 76% of battery, and I'm going to play a 10 minutes YouTube video offing the battery data, and now I'm going to play this video with no data on or anything on. So let's see what's going to be these results. So I'm playing the video. So guys, even this 10 minutes video is going to finish now, and you can see it has been playing for 10 minutes. Yeah, it's completed. I'll pause this video and I see that I have lost 1% of my battery life playing this 10 minutes video. So let's see. And the third test I'm going to do is a gaming test. I'm going to play this knife hit low end game for 10 minutes and see what's going to be the results for the gaming test also in this phone. So you can see that I'm going to start this game and I will show you the results after 10 minutes of this game. Yeah, hi guys, and the test is over, and I have been playing this game for 10 minutes and now the test is over. You can see that I have lost 2% of my battery life playing this knife hit low end game. And this is the level 1 test. If you want the level 2 test, just comment down below that you want the level 2 test and just like this video, so that I will do the level 2 test, which consists and high-end gaming devices. Like you can play, I will play you PUBG Mobile for 10 minutes and play an high quality video, 4K videos, and then do a battery test for this phone. So this is the level 1 test, and if you like the video, just click the subscribe button and also click the like button so that you won't miss any of my future videos. So before you go, just click that subscribe button.